Hey, welcome to the Door and Signal channel. What we have here is a 2011 GMC Sierra 1500, and this headlight on the top here is out. We got the new bulb here, I'll show you. New bulb, it is an h11, hopefully that focuses. It's an h11 100-watt bulb. Go put that in there. It does look a little difficult to put in. There's some stuff in the way, but we'll do a video here, see if we can get into it. Okay, what you're going to want is one of these Torx bits here, the T25. I don't know if you can see that. You'll need the T25. I think some of the GMCs, they have a actual bolt here for the airbox. So there's 4 of these Torx bits. We're going to take all 4 of those out. There's one here, 2 down there, and then we'll loosen up the air intake here. That's an 8mm bolt, and then do that. So, all right, this will be. Okay, now you can see we got some space in here to reach, grab the bulb here. So you want to twist and then pull out on the bulb. This one's dead, but when you put the new one in, you don't want to touch the bulb because it'll make it go out a lot quicker. You'll want to do this real gently. It has 2 tabs on the side of here. There's one here, one here. Take a screwdriver and pry it off real gentle so you don't break it. Alright, there's the bulb. Just want to be real careful, pry that off. Then you want to go ahead and grab your other one. You can visually look at it to make sure it's burnt out and not a fuse, but this one's definitely burnt out. So and grab my new bulb here. It has this protective coating. Take that off. Just make sure you don't touch the glass with your bare hands because it'll make it go out quicker. And then just line it back up into the hole here. Twist it the opposite side way that you unscrewed it. This one I twisted it counterclockwise, and I put it in clockwise. So before you button all this back up, get your keys and make sure the light works, because you don't want to have to take this all apart again. And it looks to be working. So we're gonna clean this up a little bit, put this back together. when you're putting these screws in too, you don't want to torque them all down the first time you put them in. That way you can level everything up and then give them a snug up. You don't have to put a couple 100 pounds of torque behind them. Unless you want to snap them off, then go for it. Alright, that's all there is to it. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. Thanks for watching.